Bojangles, and I have a belly band on him. When I bring the males in the house, I always put a belly band on him to keep him from marking. But once you have him neutered, then you shouldn't have this problem. Come here, Bubba. Come here. Got your Squeaky. Come here. Come here. He's tired out. He's been running and playing. Come here. Show him what you look like. Come here. Tell me, Bobo. Tell me. Tell me. You show him that face. Oh, you're trying to get my strap. Look at here, buddy. But that's Mr. Bojangles. Want to go get your Squeaky? Bobo. Bob. Come here. Here, buddy. Go get it. Go get your... Yeah, you got your Squeaky. What'd you do with it? You didn't get it? What's the matter? You don't want to chase the Squeaky today? Okay, you're more interested in that reflection. See, there's a reflection in the glass there in the cabinet. He likes to look at himself and thinks it's another dog. Okay. You want to go get the Squeaky? Want to go get the Squeaky? Huh? Took, there, I got it. Look. You want to go get it? Looky here, Bobo. And by the way, I stripped him about 3 or 4 months ago, so his coat's just now coming out shaggy. And I'm just leaving it shaggy. I usually leave him for the winter. Let it grow out. So, that's after about 3 months ago of being stripped. Now it's starting to gray. Come on, we'll throw you Squeaky. Come on, you want to go get it? You want to go get it? You want to go get it? Look here. Where'd it go? There, you got it. You got it. Gonna shake it? Okay. Okay. Yeah, he likes the Squeakies. You got it. Bring it to me. Bring it to me, buddy. Good boy. Wanna go get it again? Wanna go get it again? Look here. Ready? Bubba. Wanna go get it? Jim's just coming in the back door, so he hears him and he's distracted. Look here. Look. Go get it. No, you hear Jim in there, so now you want to go to the kitchen, huh? Well, you don't want to go get it? Hello. Okay, let's go get the Squeaky. Come on. Come on, I'll throw it again. You gotta go see Jim in the kitchen, I'm sure. Let's go let you see what the noise is. Come on. Where you at? Where you at? There you are. Come on. You see him? You see him? There he is.
Hey, Bo. How are you? Yeah.
And Jim doesn't want me to get him on camera, so we won't put the camera on Jim. Okay, Bo, ready to go back to the den? Huh? Come on. Okay, want to go get the Squeaky? Want to go get the Squeaky? Where'd you go? Oh, I'm terrible with the camera. Okay, ready? Ready? Go get it. Got it? You brought it to me? Good boy. Good boy. No, you're not giving it to me this time. Okay. Want me to throw it again? Want me to throw it again? Let's see if you go up the stairs. They don't like the stairs, but we'll see. Here. Want to go up the stairs, Bubba? Look here. He says, nope, not going up there. Okay, let's go get it. Come on, Bob. You don't want to come up? Bo, I'll get you from up here. Hey, Bo. Bo, where you at? Okay, Bo. Where'd you go? Come here. That's a pretty song. Listen. Listen. Bubba. Yeah, that's pretty too. Jim dropping dishes in there. Look here. Isn't it funny that song comes on, Bo? You know what that song is? Come listen. Bo, come here. Look what's playing, guys. Couldn't be more appropriate. Over the Rainbow. He doesn't want to come back in here. Bo. Bo. Hey, Bo. Oh, he's gonna go with Jim. Come on. Where you at? Bubba, you're supposed to be looking at the camera. We're going in circles. You're making me dizzy. Bubba. I don't know where the Squeaky went. He had it. He had it just a few minutes ago. Somewhere. What'd you do with the Squeaky, boy? He found it. He didn't see you throw it. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? He's got a Squeaky. Where are you, Bo? I can't keep up with you. Here, get the Squeak. Okay, that's it. I think that's enough, don't you? Don't you think they can see you good now? Don't you think so? Look at here, Bo. Okay, come on. Come on, let's go back to the den with the Squeaky. Come on. You don't want it anymore? Where'd you go? Bo. Oh, behind me. Okay, tell him bye-bye. Bo. Tell him bye-bye. Say bye-bye. See you later. Let's get a close-up of your face and show them how sweet your face is. See, eyes are sweet, baby. I've been drinking water and my face is wet. See, I've been drinking water and my face is all wet. Look here, Bo. Tell them bye-bye. Okay. Say bye-bye.